Now he's going to go next singer up this time. We are looking for the girls. Oh yes, it is Leanne and Hayley this time. Leanne and Hayley. Do some for us. Put the girls aloud and sound of the underground. Here we go then for this one. Are you ready, girls? This young lady goes under the alias of Hottie Leanne. Is that right? Hottie Leanne on your thing, isn't it? I remember. Sound of the underground this time. Girls aloud. Girls. Next round of applause there, please. There you go. And the sound of girls and girls.